What's up, guys? We're going to get right into this one because it's a little bit different. We are going to pull off these dual carbs on the Suzuki and go ahead, take them apart, and ceramic coat the top caps as well as the bowls. So I think it'll look pretty cool. It should have like a bit of a, like silver and gold or silver and bronze thing going. Don't think I'm going to take it as far as polishing the bodies of the carbs. That would be a lot of polishing on this old bike, but we are at least going to take this step for now. So I'm going to go ahead and sandblast the bowls and top caps. The bowls are fairly soft metal. We're going to keep a bit of a distance with the sandblaster. Other than that, it's basically normal. We went ahead, put them in an acetone bath, and then gassed them out, and here we are coating them. Obviously the inside of these does not have to be coated, and we didn't really want any coating on the gasket surfaces or anything like that, so taped off the bottoms with some high heat tape. Then I went about ceramic coating these. So we used the same burnt bronze color at the same 18:1 ratio as always. The idea behind that is that the components on this bike will match the components on the other Suzuki, and even though I'm coating this bike in separate times, everything should match pretty well. While these carburetor parts are baking in the oven, I'm able to do a couple of things. One of them is drop the entire assembled carb bodies still bolted together directly into my ultrasonic cleaner. Then we are going to go ahead and detab this frame. So I'm using a cutoff wheel to do this. I imagine there's a lot of tools that would work. If you had one of those vibrating multi-tools, you probably get some really flush cuts first time around. The approach I'm taking, I just went with the cut off disc at first and then went around with the flap wheel and just kind of got everything as close to the frame as I could. For now, we're going to reassemble it with the frame the way you see it now. So that video should be coming pretty soon. Keep an eye out for that one. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys have a great day.